Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we focus on how legal systems handle power, accountability, and procedure. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Today's case involves Jacques Chirac, a former president of France, and a prosecution that reshaped how French law treats political immunity after office. According to court records, the case centered on events that occurred while Chirac was mayor of Paris in the 1990s before he became president. Prosecutors alleged that public funds were misused to pay party staff who performed political work while being compensated by the city. One key fact was presidential immunity. Under French law at the time, sitting presidents could not be prosecuted. As a result, criminal proceedings were paused for years, while Chirac served 2 terms as president. A second important issue was the scope of responsibility. The court examined whether Chirac knowingly approved or benefited from the arrangement, relying on documentary evidence and testimony regarding administrative practices within the Paris mayor's office. A third factor was timing. Once Chirac left office, prosecutors resumed the case, demonstrating how legal accountability can be delayed but not erased by constitutional protections. In 2011, a French court convicted Chirac of misuse of public funds and breach of trust. He received a suspended prison sentence, marking the first time a former French president was convicted of a crime. The legal lesson from this case is about delayed accountability. Immunity can pause prosecution, but it does not necessarily eliminate legal responsibility once public office ends. How should legal systems balance executive immunity with long-term accountability? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, fact-based explanations of major legal cases, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.